laughing about?
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna make a swelling serum potion.
Where'd you get that?
Wizarding trunk that we did not record a video for.
Yeah, okay, so it was one of the parts of the wizarding trunk from the latest wizarding trunk.
Sorry, we did not record it, but okay.
So what was in the box? Is this your kit?
This is my kit.
There's your kit. There's a container. There's some vials. There's
This
some
should be
instructions. There's a wax candle. There's a little measure stirring spoon.
I don't understand this. It says liquid of pickled boom slang.
Yeah.
That should be this or this?
I think it's the green one because if it's something pickled,
but then
I imagine.
5 pufferfish eyes whole. This is liquid.
Isn't it marked somewhere? What's what? Look on the back of your instructions. The thing you have.
No.
Is it on there?
Oh.
She ran away.
I gotta find a certain page. Just wait, sorry.
I think these are your pufferfish things. Not really pufferfish eyes, but
Okay,
made to look like.
I grabbed the rest of our pages. It says, for antidote, see page 47. Do we have 47? 44? We don't have 47. Never mind.
Was it the newspaper, like the one that shows you everything? Okay.
Okay. I'm just gonna guess this is the
Well, read all the parts of what you need to do, and then process of elimination, you'll figure out what's what. So you're not going to read it to us?
I'm gonna once I just read this real quick. Oh look, it looks like smudge in the area that it's wet.
Yes.
Look, the words they get all. Ooh, I can't even read them. Just carefully pour 5 pufferfish eyes. These are the pufferfish eyes. I hear something jingling in them. There's a jingle. Okay, here we are. Prepare your workspace in a well-lit, quiet area, ensuring you have all the necessary utensils and instruments by hand. Okay, we have everything. Take a glass potion bottle and place it on a clean, flat surface. This will be the vessel?
Yes.
Smudged vessel for your swelling serum. Pour moon water into the potion bottle until almost full. I'm going to spill this everywhere, aren't I? Or maybe I won't.
Oh.
That's too high. Let me just...
But you're wasting precious moon water.
It's fine. Okay, that seems good. Because it's at almost full. Okay. Add liquid pickled boom slang to the bottle. Got my fingers yellow. My fingers are yellow.
That's okay.
Okay. Carefully pour 5 pufferfish eyes into a glass potion.
You know you could probably scoop them out with your scooper.
Pour.
Okay, or you can pour the whole thing.
This is kind of... I got
So
one.
just,
For you guys who wonder what they look like, that's a pufferfish eye.
That's a pufferfish eye.
Let's go. 1,
Oh, it floats.
Oh, we can see them in the bottom. How much is that?
That's 2.
2. Okay, we have enough. Oh. That's everything. Pufferfish eyes.
Mm-hmm.
Everything. Using the metal stirring rod, stir counterclockwise 7 stirs, then 1 stir clockwise. Repeat this step 3 times without stopping. Which way is counterclockwise?
Opposite of the way a clock goes.
So that's this way.
Mhm.
Should be
7 times, right?
this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And then 1 the other way. And then do it again.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 1. Seal potion bottle tightly.
What are you doing? You're done stirring.
I'm
Seal the
doing a
potion
little
bottle.
straw. For good luck, for good measure. Seal the potion bottle tightly with a cork or stopper, ensuring it's secure to preserve its potency.
Potency.
Gently swirl the bottle to ensure all ingredients are fully ingredient. You should see a shimmer if the potion has been brewed correctly. I see a shimmer.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, maybe it doesn't translate well, and a little bit I can see it.
But I can
You could see it in person a lot better.
Yeah.
But all right. And now it's probably the wax seal,
Yeah,
but
I
we
don't know how to
didn't do
I
that
don't
yet.
know how to do
Well, you have to light the candle and hold it over to let it drip
that.
down the wax. We'll do that later.
We'll do that. We're not doing it. We're gonna put our sticker so that.
Are you sure that's where it goes?
What it is?
You also have this one.
I know where that one goes.
Oh, you do? All right.
This one goes.
So the only step you skipped was lighting your candle and dripping the wax.
And this is our finished result. And the sticker doesn't.
Man.
Don't judge the back. Don't judge the sticker not meeting. It just doesn't. But that is how it's coming out.
Very nice. And we're
Rate
still
it.
going to do the final step
Rate-
after where
rate-
we're going to light
Okay.
that and let the wax drip down to
Rate
seal
in
it.
the comments 1 to 10.
You're in the comments 1 to 10. Well, I think it's a really fun activity,
It
and
is
that's
really fun.
probably the most fun part of the Wizarding Trunk. And last trunk, we also had a potion to make. So, all right, that's it. What are you doing? Oh my, now she's being silly. All right. Bye, guys. Maybe next time, if the Wizarding Trunk has another brew to mix, we'll do another one of these if you find it interesting. And maybe Lydia will not
comment that
stick
down below,
stickers on
too.
herself.
If you want to see another one of these.
All right. Bye, guys.